Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your daily energies, Virgos, we are picking few cards for your relationship and your career situation. I'll be picking one card each from another deck, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first. It's Seven of Pentacles, Strength in reverse, and Eight of Wands. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are progressing in a very positive way, Virgos. In your career, you are making those great efforts and you are seeing that beginning of something, maybe some new projects or some financial investments, whatever your work is, you are beginning to see that successful unfoldment and you have hope and faith in that direction, and you see that things are simply aligning in a very quicker way, and you are seeing that prosperous results maybe in your career or something to do with your relationship, guys. And you are happy for your achievements today. Things are going well in your career or things are going well in your personal life. So whatever dreams that you have achieved till now, you are happy for it. And maybe for some of you, because of the way situation is going, you are quite successful in your career and in your personal life. So the way you behave, people may think of that as arrogance, that you are treating them badly because of your success. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energies. So let us pick one card for your career situation, Virgos. I'll be picking one card from another deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and I will turn the card now, guys, for your career. Why? So with this card, it just means that in our situation today, we have to have that understanding. We have to ask ourselves that question: why we are going this way in our career, and what is the motive for our career choices. So when that answer is true to your true intentions, you will be working towards a greater in a positive way, guys. So if that is true to your dreams and your future plans, why you want money, why you want to earn money, it is, if your answer may be say for your future or to acquire things, or you need money to make things go well in your life. So no motive is good or bad, but having agendas hidden within ourselves, that will lead to disappointments, guys. So you have to be clear why you want to do such things, or whether your motives are true, and you need to accept them. If you do that, you will see that things are aligning in your life perfectly. In your work, you will have that inspiration and confidence to go forward, and that will drive your choices, and in your career you will be experiencing more success, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your career situation, guys. Let us see what is coming for your relationship. So what questions you have in your connection, you can think about it, and I will turn the card now. Soulmates, just such a beautiful card for your relationship, guys. So just like what it says, with this person in this relationship, you have that deepest love, so powerful. So no matter how long this relationship lasts, this will leave a great impact on you, will have a great impact on you. So some relationships are so overwhelming and compelling that fills us with gratitude and love, and some relationships make us break down. So each time we break down, we are just reminded who we are, and we will heal from that situation, guys. So this card, when we get this card, this just means that this is your soulmate, guys. That is the reason this person is right there with you. So they are there to push you towards some greater growth in life. It may be an emotional growth, that psychological growth, whatever you need, however you want to change. This person is going to push you towards that positive change. That is the reason they are there in this connection with us, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.